So bidirectional RNN. So all these models which use cases like which I have discussed, right? So usually it will be bidirectional. What does this mean is, so let's say, let me give an example, this time in NLP. So there is a teddy bear are on sale. Okay. So, and there is one more. So this is, I think, like used example by many people in like NLP. So let me take the same sentence. So Roosevelt was a great president. Okay, so these are the two sentences. So in this case, what, let's say, like our model has to identify what each of the word is. Is it what actually it means? Is it a verb, or this one, is it a person name, or is it a place name, or is it a thing name, something like that. It should be able to classify among all those. So if you see from here, right, so if you start from here, what you feel is, if you see just Teddy, what you'll feel like, you'll think that this is so in this case, let's also write it as a kind of an diagram. Okay, so in this case, for each we are giving x0 as Teddy. Here bear are on sale. So each word, let's say, we are looking at what that word is like, means like, is that word what you say, like what does it belong to. Okay, so if you see only Teddy, you may think that is a kind of a doll thing. Okay, so you may say that it is doll. And when you see bear, still like you feel it, teddy bear is a doll, right? So a teddy bear, if you see only bear, maybe you'll think it is a animal, and then are on sale. Similarly, like you can have something like that. So but if you see the second part, let me draw one for each. Teddy Roosevelt was a great president. Okay, so here if you take this case, okay, so if you see first network, when it starts, while giving output, it sees only Teddy here. So if you see Teddy, it may think it's a doll, right? So even we think that if you write only Teddy, it's a doll. And when you go for the second case, when you see it's a Teddy Roosevelt, this looks like a name of a person, right? So uh, previously, when it is a doll, it won't be a doll once you start considering both. And you can also determine it by like having a last word where it is president. So when it is a president here, it means surely it's not it may be a person, it's not a doll, right? So in that case, what we can have is, here the information, when it sees the output, what it sees from here, output 0, need not just depend on x of 0. It should like previously it only takes previous information, right? So x of t minus 1, where it is x of 0 initially, let's say it's 0. So we only like while calculation for output, we only use a of 0, x of 0, let's say x1. Okay, so here it is minus 1. Let's say from a 1 it starts. So from 1, it's like this. We have a multiplication and plus b, right? So you only take this into consideration. Okay, which don't see any of these inputs. So from this, it will say from the weight it has adopted, it may say it's a doll. But when it starts seeing this Roosevelt, which comes actually in the next place, so then you can't say it as a doll, right? So maybe after seeing till president, surely it should not say it's a doll. So maybe Roosevelt, maybe they have kept a name to that a doll as a Roosevelt. Okay, maybe that can be a chance. So but when it comes to full sentence, okay, so at the president, so it shouldn't be a doll, right? So what it should do is, it should adopt this output. Okay, so this should also have influence on this. Previous, this has influence on this because we are passing this information like this, right? So but what this output, this input should also have influence in it. So we should also have a mechanism to have it backwards. So some information flow backwards as well. So that is way like we need a bidirectional. Uh, so previously we have discussed about a single direction. So now we also have both direction forward, where we will go from A0, A1, A2, A3. It means like A0, here A1, right? A2, A3, A4, like this. So similarly, there should be information flow backwards as well. This way, A3, A4. So these should also get varied depending on the next input. Okay. So that is why like we all, instead of a single value, what we have is output will be depending on forward output and also backward output. Okay. So we take these two with X, and then we have your final output. Okay. Let's put out. Previously it is like this. Now we added both sides, like one forward side and one backward. So by adding these two, we'll be getting actually it means it gets adopted like based on forward side and like what information it flows from backward as well. So these two are adopted, and finally depending on that you will be getting an output. So this is what actually bidirectional RNN will look like. Okay. So usually most popularly what they do is like they use a bidirectional RNN plus LSTM is the most popularly used in NLP case. Okay. So mostly in NLP they use this.